Begin by selecting the test you would like to complete on the test page of our website. You can choose between having your test performed in one of our 3 clinic locations, Dublin, Kildare, Galway, or you can now perform your clinic test in the comfort of your own home. To book an appointment in one of our clinics, visit the Book section of the website. You'll receive an email confirmation with your test preparation instructions and directions to the clinic. You can also book your appointment by calling or emailing us. We now have an extensive range of home clinical testing kits available. You can perform your test in the comfort of your own home with easy-to-follow instructions. Testing kits are posted back to GastroLife or our partner medical laboratory for analysis. Order your test today on our online store. Results will be issued by protected email or by post, depending on your preferred correspondence. We are happy to discuss your results with you if requested. Have any questions? We would love to hear from you. Call or email us today